Hey, Dr. Lindsey and Wendy, this is a 33-month update on a 33-year-old guy who wanted his hairline lowered about 1.5 inches. And he looked like this before. He looked bad.
Yeah.
And he had these triangles, and he wanted his central hairline brought down, and he didn't have a lot of hair loss in his family, so we did a case on him. And here he is in the early growing stage, and then he walked in. I think he moved out of the area, and then he came back, and he just walked in at 33 months out and did this little video. So Steve, it's been 32 months since I got a hold of you, and I've got your before picture up to the side of your face.
Yep.
Other than you having fine hair and a big color contrast, which we talked about, you've been pretty satisfied with what we did for you?
I've definitely been satisfied. Like you said, I have thin hair and light skin, so I'm going to probably come back and do a second procedure just to make it look a little bit more dense, but it looks great now.
And spin around, and I'm going to show the back of your head. Turn all the way around. And chin down just a smidgen, and you wear a pretty short haircut, and I can't remember, you're like a 35-year-old guy, right?
I'm 33.
33. Yeah, your scar's pretty hard to find. So. All right, was that halfway up front with you when we did this, and no little surprises?
Absolutely, absolutely.
Okay. Well, thanks for coming today. So, you know, other than him having real white skin and kind of real brown fine hair, he looks awesome.
He looks really good, and he's still planning to put a little bit more in there.
Well, I think he needs to, you know, because no matter how tight we
well,
pack
he can
those hair
afford to
losses-
do it
Yeah.
because he has
Yeah, I mean,
no
that's
other hair loss. Like you can definitely do more.
the limitation on those fine-haired guys, as we've gotten on the movie videos, is no matter how tight we pack that hairline, it's never enough. And so, typically when we do a second case, we'll come back and do a few hundred up there. But he probably doesn't need a second case for anything else, so we'll, whenever he's ready, we'll just do a couple hundred little singles and maybe 100 doubles to his hairline just to polish that thing off.
Yeah, because he really, I mean, anybody
Yeah.
will look like white. You know, he looks
Yeah.
really good. Like, why would you put more?
Right.
But
I'm with him on that. So,
yeah, well, so
usually
Well,
I'm the perfectionist enemy good, but I do think he could use a couple hundred more hairs. Yeah, that's what when we first did it. But in any case, another happy customer that felt like we were up front with him. If we can help you, please give us a call. Thanks.